Hello students, the State Common Entrance Test Cell, Maharashtra has released the MHT CET 2024 application form online. Students who seek admission to various colleges in Maharashtra can start registering for the Maharashtra Common Entrance Test. In this video, Careers 360 provides the steps to fill out the MHT CET application form. Watch the complete video to know what details are required for the MHT CET registration. Candidates must check their eligibility before applying for the entrance test. Steps for the MHT CET application. Visit the website setcell.mahacet.org. Click on the candidate registration link available on the homepage. New users have to register themselves by clicking on the register button. Enter your name, email address, password, mobile number and date of birth to register yourself. After successful registration, students are required to log in again using the registered email ID and password. Now click on the Register Now button. The prerequisites for Maharashtra CET 2024 will be displayed on the screen. Along with it, a direct link to download the information brochure will be available on the top left corner. Applicants must read the instructions carefully before proceeding ahead with the application form. Checkmark the declaration box and click on the I accept and proceed button. The MHT CET application form will be available on your screens. Now, candidates will have to provide their personal details, permanent address and address for correspondence in the designated fields. Enter the security PIN as displayed and click on Save and Proceed. Verify your login by entering the OTP received on your registered mobile number. After this, a unique application number will be generated. Next, candidates have to fill up the entire application form step by step. Provide your category, domicile and orphan details here. Provide your qualification, details of HSC and SSC or equivalent exams. Now, enter the details of MHT CET subject group, language and your preferred center location. In the next step, candidates have to upload scanned images of their photograph and signature. After uploading the images, candidates will be able to preview their filled-in responses and validate the application form. Carefully verify all the details before proceeding ahead with the payment of the application fee. The last step is the payment of the MHT CET application fee. General category candidates applying for both PCM and PCB groups have to pay Rs 2,000, while the same for the reserved categories is 1,600. Candidates who are applying for any one group have to pay Rs 1,000 in case of general category students and Rs 800 for the reserved category applicants. After completing the payment, candidates will receive confirmation of the submitted application form on their screens. Students must download and print the same for future reference. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Careers 360 for more such content.